for you is to unbox each gift and guess kung kanino galing. Oo. So unbox, read message, hulaan kung kanino galing.
Okay, pwede ako pumili kahit ano, Mars?
Yeah.
I'll start anywhere. Okay. Ito. Have a fantastic day, Ate Camille. May your birthday be a garden full of laughter and love. I'm rooting for you 24/7. You grow, girl. Always blank. Shucks, sino to?
Pero may clue, ate daw eh.
Ha?
Ate.
Sabi ate.
Sabi ate.
Oo, ate. So, mas matanda ako sa kanya.
Hindi, balik ka rin.
I have a feeling kung kanino to galing.
Sino?
Bea Manlulo.
Tama!
I love you, Bea!
You haven't, tama, Bea!
Galing naman ni Cam.
So, thank you, babe.
Ito daw hindi
Thank you for the
namamatay,
faith.
Mars.
Thank you
for
sa
the
tiwala
faith
at
and
binigyan
for
mo
the
pa rin siya
chance.
na...
Diba? For the chance
Oo.
na kahit na ilang beses nang hindi successful, kaya pa rin, Mars.
May
Laban
tiwala
lang.
siya, Mars.
Oo,
Nagbigay pa rin siya ng halaman.
Yes.
Ibang tiwala
May
niya
tiwala
sa'yo.
siya
Thanks,
sa'yo.
babe! Uy, wow!
Ayan.
Oh, Mars, nahulaan ko.
First pa lang yan, Mars.
Ito na ako, Mars!
Okay.
Let's see. Okay, wait a minute. Mars, here's a gift perfect for my fitness. Uy, kilala ko na to. Because new sportswear
Agad-agad.
always helps keep us motivated to work out. Love you. Okay, kilala ko na to. Alam ko na to. Isa lang naman ang mga,
Kailangan pa bang
konti lang
memorize
naman
yan?
ang mga magpupush sa akin for my, sa aking fitness journey.
Yes.
I think, Mars, this is from you. Thank you
That
for my
is most
panda!
definitely from me, Mars.
I
It is a
love
full zip.
it.
Full front zip para pagpagod na yung biceps mo, alam mo na, at least hindi mo na kailangan mag-struggle pa
Ay,
dito
oo
sa...
nga.
Oo, kaya
Totoo
dito,
yan.
dito sa likod
Kasi
mo.
di ba, Mars, ang pangit na feeling na basang-basa na yung sportswear mo, tapos idadaan mo pa sa
Idadaan mo
ulo
pa sa mukha mo.
Yes,
Kasi
at
hindi mo-
Mars. And sa Mars, kailangan mong takpan yung ano, para hindi
malaglag. Okay,
Kasi baka
okay.
mamaya
So, may
tumatakbo
cover
ka.
siya.
Pagdating mo dun sa destination,
Wala kang
wala na yung
phone.
phone.
Uy, Mars with budget.
Yes, Mars. Pero baka bag lang yan, Mars.
Mahal na mahal ka
Huwag kang umasa.
Oh, I know na. The handwriting pa lang kilala ko na.
Okay.
Si Ginger. Yeah, that's her handwriting. I know that too well.
Grabe!
Happiest birthday to one of the most beautiful people I know. I love you, Beth! Ay, alam mo, malakas ang kutob ko. May budget talaga to. May budget kasi talaga yun eh.
Ay.
Oh, pang pakikay,
Ay,
Mars!
pangkakikay.
It's a lipstick. Thank you, Bessie!
Ay, ang ganda.
Ay, ang ganda.
Ay, ang ganda ng
Uy,
kulay.
bagay sa suot.
Para,
Pwede.
pasok,
Pag
pasok.
nag-retouch
I
ka
love it.
mamaya.
Thank you, Bess! Dahil sa'yo na-experience namin ito.
Yes.
Okay, I love you for that. Okay.
All right.
Meron pa ba?
Yes!
there's more.
Meron pa. Happy birthday. Kilala ko na to. Sulat pa lang, alam ko na din. Happy birthday, Beck. Can't tell you how proud I am of you.
Okay. Kilala ko na rin.
As an invincible,
Oo.
incredible pala. Invincible. Ano, superhero? As an incredible wife.
Ay, papunta ka na daw doon.
Fun mom, loving daughter, and now, fitness icon. Alam mo naman, isa din to sa mga naging pegs ko in life. I'm very fortunate to be surrounded by women who takes care of themselves. Diba, Mars? That's so cute.
Ay, thanks, Mars.
So inspiring. I love you, Ate Suzy!
May iba
Yes,
naman
you are
daw.
so right. I love you, Ate. Thank
Be
you.
pa lang alam ko na, si Suzy yan
Yeah,
eh.
Be pa
Oo.
lang. Be. Oh, it is that Mars!
Ang ganda!
Sling bag na pang phone.
It's so
Diba?
nice!
Para nga naman hindi mo kailangan magbit-bit ng bag mo everywhere. You have your phone with you.
Para siyang envelope.
Yes.
I love it.
Ta-da!
Ay, ang
Thanks,
class.
Ate.
sa phone.
I love you.
Ang class.
Pasensya na at nabudol kayo ng Mars pa more.
Oo.
Who else pesters you about fighting germs like me? Keep a bottle of this with you all the time. Love always, heart. It's my Bessie Kate. Si Katrina ba to?
Attorney.
Oo, si Kate. Okay. Oh, wow! Uy, hinahanap ko talaga to,
Ay.
Oh.
Yes.
Diba? Pang malakasan
Yes,
sa
pang malakasan.
alcohol,
Yes.
Mars.
Pang malakasan
Perfect
yan.
score ka, Mars. Nice!
Oh, perfect score! Pak ka dyan, Mars, ha?
Yes! Woo!
Mga Mars, Mars, ang daming gustong makiselebrate sa'yo, Mars. Pati si Asia's multimedia star may pinadalang message para sa'yo.
Uy, totoo ba?
Yes!
I love it. Tingnan natin.
Tekams, happy birthday. I wish you good health, happiness, lahat na nang pwedeng ibigay sa iyo ni Lord. So, I wish you enjoy your special day and I'll see you soon. Happy birthday.
Oh, di ba, Mars?
Din.
May pabate.
Tsaka Mars, alam kong sobrang busy yan. So, that he was able to actually squeeze in
Yes.
a greeting. Thank you, Alden.
Oh,